The octagonal cut diamond is a unique and sophisticated shape that features 8 sides, creating an octagon-like appearance. This cut is often a step cut, similar to the emerald or azure cut, with parallel facets that emphasize the stone's clarity and natural beauty. The symmetry of the octagon adds a modern geometric elegance to the diamond, making it stand out among more traditional shapes. What makes the octagonal cut unique is its ability to blend vintage charm with contemporary style. The clean lines and sharp corners give the diamond a sleek architectural look, while the faceting ensures a subtle brilliance that highlights the diamond's inherent clarity. Its distinct shape allows for greater flexibility in jewelry design, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a one-of-a-kind piece. Octagonal cut diamonds are often seen in engagement rings or as accent stones in high-end jewelry. With its combination of timeless beauty and modern design, the octagonal cut diamond offers a sophisticated, stylish alternative for those seeking something truly unique. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export-import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.